Hello.
How are you, Mr. Flip?
Uh, yeah, I'm not bad. I have a pain in my ankle.
Can you introduce yourself to me, please?
Uh, I'm Philippe,
Yeah,
28 years old,
yeah, good to see
and
you.
yeah, thank you. And yeah, I have a pain in my ankle. I think this several times happens. It's I don't know. Maybe it's a fracture or I don't know what's happening in my ankle.
Yeah,
And yeah, I think it's happens several times in a football
yeah.
as a football player.
How many times?
Uh, in total, my ankles is I think this is the third time in
Okay,
during the last 2 years. I think over the
okay.
2 years.
And during which specific activity or it happened?
It's rolling,
Yeah,
rolling out, and yeah, I have
during football play?
yeah during football playing football, and that was a lot of pain. And when I spoke with my friends, I'm really disappointed, but I cannot play the football. Unfortunately, now it's because of the corona. Some of the matches canceled was canceled.
Why do you
Yeah,
think you cannot play football anymore?
uh, I don't know because it's a lot of pain here, and I cannot play in the football because I just want to check it out. Is it whether it's a really big deal or not?
Okay.
Yeah,
And do you still play football or have you stopped playing?
I just stop it.
Okay.
Yeah, and yeah, but I don't know. Is there any worrisome? I
Are
need to
you
just.
interested to play football again?
Mm, uh, I'm just a little bit disappointed.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, there's a
Uh,
lot of pain, and I don't know what can I
yeah.
do.
Can I ask how's the situation at work?
Oh yeah, actually it's a good question because in the work the situation is not good because it's my pain appears and in the work I'm working with the colleagues. We cannot understand each other really good, and there's a lot of put up a lot of pressure and the extra pressure apart from the ankle pain. Yeah, it's not really good situation. Yeah,
Yeah, I understand. Can be frustrating.
yeah.
Uh, how do you feel about the pain yourself? Do you think you can manage it, or
What do you mean the managing? It means the severity of the pain or the.
can you like handle it? You think you will get better soon, or
Yeah, I just
how's
want
the
to just get rid of this pain and just continue my
yeah.
just use the ball again and yeah, but I'm disappointed. But on the other hand, I want it. Yeah.
During which specific activity you have pain? Like
Oh,
climbing stairs, do you have pain, or just
oh, you mean the which activity? Okay,
yeah?
which movement? When I'm just walking, I have a lot of pain. When I just in my home, I'm climbing the stairs. Yeah,
If you wanna describe it to me in a scale of 0 to 10 during uh
the walking.
yeah
That was I think 6.
7 out of 10, yeah, and
S-
stairs.
Yeah, it's about the yeah 6 or 7, but yeah, it's between the 6 or 7 when I walking the climbing the stair. If I
Yeah,
want to say, it's gonna be 8.
okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you show it to me? Where exactly do you have the pain?
Uh, this is this area.
Okay.
Yeah, and yeah, I don't know. Can we just say ankle sprain or is not a big deal?
Yeah.
Is this area?
Do you also feel unstable there?
Then is stable there. Yeah,
Okay.
I think, but I'm not sure.
Have you seen other practitioner about it? Have you been to a doctor or a physio? Or
Yeah, I've been there and they do the X-ray and they just prescribe me and they said to me there's not any big deal in the fracture, but we can see the weak sign of the osteoarthritis. I think
okay.
that's I don't know what is this. I just see that the doctor told me
Mm,
the osteoarthrosis or arthritis.
yeah.
Or you have
Yeah.
my profile now? Or?
Yeah. I see that you also been to physio, but they weren't very big help.
No. Yeah, I'm just frustrated.
Yeah, I understand. So, do you have other thing to add? Do you have anxiety, stress, or
Absolutely, yeah, because as I said, my situation in work,
yeah,
and I cannot anymore have activity and do my really uh, the, the footballing, the play the football because I really love it,
yeah?
and I cannot this and this in my situation. Absolutely, I have a
What about
stress.
situation at home? Is it stressful at home, or is it alright?
As a home, I don't have any really serious problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I think I know enough now from you, and I'm gonna run a couple of tests
Okay.
to find out if there is any problem or pathology around your ankle.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to do active passive resistance tests on your ankle joints
Okay.
to find out if there's any structural problem around your joint or around your muscles.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm gonna do anterior drawer test, which is a test that I can find out if there is any rupture or laxity on the ligaments around your joint.
Mm-hmm.
And then I will run a couple of functional assessments to see if there is any underlying problem around your ankle.
Okay.
So we're gonna do that. Ankle examination. Can you bend your? Can you put towards this one, please?
This one.
Yeah. And now this one. And can you do the other opposite side? And this one to the. Can you do as far as possible?
I'm feeling it already now.
Yeah, it's good. Now can you put your legs inward?
You mean
This way. Yeah.
like that?
Yes. And this one. Yeah. Now can you put outward? Yeah. And now this one. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the action for you to see if there is any differences between sides.
Mm-hmm.
And if you have the pain or anything, just let me know.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yes. Yeah. Any pain or?
Not too much.
Now this outward. Okay. Now can you resist against my action?
Okay.
Yeah. As hard as you can. Yeah. Now this one. Push. Yeah. Now can you push the other way around? Push. Now push. Okay. Now can you push resist against my action? Outside.
Okay.
Yeah. Now outside. Now this one. And now outside. Yeah. So Mr. Philippe, we're gonna do some first functional test.
Mm-hmm.
I want you to see how you do this action.
Mm-hmm.
Watching how you do it around your ankle joints. So if you can do it for me, and if you had any pain or
This position.
yeah.
Just how much?
Just sit. Try to
Yeah.
just bend your as far as possible. Go down, down, go down. Don't yeah. Yeah. One more time. So you just yeah. Do you have any pain around your ankle?
Yeah, a little.
Can you bring up your so that I can see? Yeah. Corona. Tamam, evet. Yeah.
I cannot do one.
Now, would you do it with one leg for me? And with the other one? Yeah. Okay. Now there is a other test we do,
Mm-hmm.
which I want you to stand here in the middle
Mm-hmm.
and try to think there is also one line here at a 45 degree.
Okay.
And I want you to raise up your leg and go as far as you can. One here, one time here, one here,
Okay.
once here, once here,
Mm-hmm.
once here, and here, then here.
For both my feet, both of them.
Yeah. Go first with your unhealthy leg.
Sıcak mı?
Go as far as you can. Then just bend your
Oh, big.
as far as you can. Now from here to here, from the
Okay.
and just try to keep your balance. Don't
Okay. Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I cannot know this one.
Okay. So now, would you do it with your healthy leg as well? Yeah. As far as you can. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So good. Now I